Well, yes, just a few hours to go for calendar year 2025 to end. So we decided to take stock of the biggest events that you need to watch out for in the next calendar year. Let's start off with the month of January, where the third quarter of FY26 earnings season will begin. And remember, Street has high expectations from the third quarter earnings season. So that will be one important factor to watch out for. But apart from that, remember, it will be BMC elections on the 15th of January, which is the Mumbai Civic Polls. So any kind of changes in the policy making from Maharashtra will also be keenly awaited by the Street. Remember, the World Economic Forum will take place in Davos, Switzerland. This will be from the 19th to 23rd of January, where world leaders will be speaking. Any commentary from global leaders will be important to watch out for from the World Economic Forum in Davos in Switzerland this year. 1st February, the most important event for all of us will be the union budget. All eyes will be on tax reforms, on capex announcements. Any boost to manufacturing, to infrastructure will be something that the Street will be watching out for. So union budget will be another important event to watch out for on the 1st of February. RBI monetary policy meeting is scheduled to happen from the 4th to 6th of February. Commentary from RBI governor with respect to inflation, interest rate and growth going forward, and any commentary on monetary easing going forward will also be crucial from the RBI monetary policy meeting, which will be conducted in the first week of February, and this, remember, will be the first meet of calendar year 2026. And for all cricket lovers, ICC Men's T20 World Cup is set to happen and begin in February, so all eyes will be on this as well. Shifting focus to other events that you need to watch out for, key state elections from West Bengal to Assam to Kerala. The dates, of course, the final dates are not out yet, but this is expected to happen in the month of April, the outcome of which is expected in the month of May. So any kind of reject that happens with respect to state government's elections will also be keenly awaited. 4th quarter and FY26 earnings season will begin in April. That also means that we will have commentaries that will be coming from the management in their annual report. So all eyes will be on that as well. But apart from that, we will also have the outcome of election, RBI monetary policy in the month of April. So any kind of commentary from RBI governor will also be crucial to watch out for. Shifting focus to a southwest monsoon, then that will be another factor in the month of May. June again, we will have RBI policy, monsoon progress, especially the kind of impact that it will have on Rabi sowing. G7 summit, which is expected to happen in France, this is in June next year, and FIFA World Cup 2026. The exact dates again are not out yet, but this is expected to happen in June, so all eyes will be on FIFA World Cup as well. This, of course, is a globally tracked event, and all eyes will be on that. Remember, Kharif sowing will be an important factor in July, but other than that, NATO summit in Turkey, global leaders will be meeting over there, so all eyes will be on this event as well. So yes, 2026 is expected to be a power-packed year with several domestic and global events that you need to keep an eye out on.